Oh, what do we have here? We have another entanglement, you guys. This one is titled Kidnapping Leads to Insane Plot Twist by EW Body Cam.
Threatening to kill my partner right now. He has a knife. Run!
Where are you?
Run! Taylor, don't you
Why would she get in the car? Do not let her get in the car.
God.
Absolutely not.
She's in the car. She's taking off.
It's a race against time when Ohio police respond to an emergency call reporting a woman being kidnapped in broad daylight. But as investigators close in, they uncover a shocking revelation that no one saw coming.
Hello?
The following report is based on official police records released to date, and some of the footage has never been seen before until now.
Oh, shit.
It's around 5:30 p.m. on September 17th, 2025, when the caller, Chase, continues explaining what happened.
Here's what I don't understand. Can you tell me, if he's threatening you with a knife, why did she get in the car with him?
Exactly.
Was taking her car. I don't know. He was threatening her, officer.
Okay. No. Answer my question. Did she willingly get in with him, or did he force her to get in?
I don't understand. It was quick as hell. I don't know. He had the knife. He had the knife.
Chase tells the Jackson Township Police that his 31-year-old girlfriend, Kayla Giltz, went to confront a man after he threatened to kill her and her family. That's when Kayla was allegedly taken hostage in her own vehicle. The suspect, 38-year-old Jamie Triplett Jr., is
Some don't sound right about that.
a registered sex offender and convicted felon. Kayla met Jamie while she was working at Stark Regional Community Correction Center, where he was an inmate.
I called you guys earlier. You sent an officer. I told you this is what was going to happen. Told you. Told you he was threatening me. I told you. Told you he was going to kill my family.
All right. Well, you're going to get yourself harmed.
I am not chasing anybody. I just need to make sure she's okay.
Okay, but you are chasing them.
Earlier today, Chase contacted police to alert them about Jamie's violent threats. The responding officer told Chase to contact them if Jamie showed up at his house, and that they may be able to pursue charges against Jamie for aggravated menacing. However, Chase jumped the gun and decided to follow his girlfriend Kayla when she confronted Jamie herself.
Okay, you kind of just my case. Now.
This is what happened. I called her and told her what he said to me on the phone. I told him how he called our kid. He's going to kill your retarded kid. And she said, she snapped. I told you impulsive. She said, I'm going over there. Meet me over there to beat him up. And this is what I told her via text. I told her, don't go over there. Do not go over there. Come home. Come home. Come home. Come home. Come home. I go over there. He's in the car with her. I open the door and he pulls a knife out on me. She jumps out of the car. He gets out the car trying to stab me. And he starts chasing her around. This is how you're going to do me? You're going to do me like this? I go to call the police. He gets in the driver's seat, turns her car on, goes to steal it, says, get in the car. Knife, and I don't know, she said, he's stealing my car, he's stealing my car. And she got in the car. And then she did this, SOS, SOS. And the phone got thrown out the door.
So here's where you just put me in a really. He might not even get charged with ag menacing now.
I don't care. I don't care at that point. I don't care about the charges. I need her to be safe.
but here's the thing though. Okay, but listen here.
He has a knife. Please tell me.
Okay, but listen. If we would have got him ag menacing charges, he would have went back to prison. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
At this point, I just want her to be safe. He stole her car. He's driving her car.
I think she went willingly. No cap.
Right now. Full speed. Tried to run me over in the process of leaving.
Chase, was she forced in the car or did she get in the car willingly?
Had the knife.
He had the knife at her and told her to get in the car, so forced.
I don't want her to get hurt.
So we're gonna have to enter her as missing and danger. So, because she,
Twice before
yeah.
he threw it out the window on 77.
How do you know he threw it out the window?
Kayla's boyfriend, Chase, who is the father of her child, tells the officers that he has been tracking Kayla's cell phone through a location-sharing app, and it hasn't updated since she was taken away by Jamie. There's now a race to find Kayla, who officers believe is still with Jamie, who, according to court documents, recently served 13 years of a 20-year prison sentence for the kidnapping.
How the hell she meet him? And he been in jail for about 13 years. He just got out, 2 weeks ago?
And rape of another woman.
Ooh.
Jamie was released under community control only a few weeks ago.
What the
I tried
hell?
to follow them, but I couldn't keep up.
Why would you go over there?
She is manic bipolar, BPD. And I told her what she said, what he said to us earlier about how he's gonna kill our son, kill our retarded son. And she said, I'm going over there. It's a gray Hyundai. I don't even know what it is off the top of my
Okay,
head
that's
right now.
okay.
With the search underway, officers check motels and talk to family and friends. According to police records, that night they visit Jamie's uncle, who owns an auto shop, which is where Jamie had taken his last kidnapping victim.
Damn.
When's the last time you saw him?
5 o'clock when I took him to work. I took him to work. We were laughing, using good spirit, talking about getting his driver's license.
Okay. Anywhere else where you think you might go to, stay at, friend's house, anything like that? Or just the roadway where you guys drop
No, that's where he lives. He lives there because he reports in night and day to his probation
BO?
officer. Yeah. He ain't trying to get in no trouble.
According to police records, a drone operator is called to check the surrounding areas for Kayla, Jamie, or other evidence, but there is no luck. With few promising leads, officers comb through surveillance footage at local businesses, hoping to uncover clues that could pinpoint Kayla and Jamie's whereabouts.
That's the guy, right?
Yeah. Did they say the girl was wearing a dress? Alright, well I got a female and male pulled up. Male's wearing a white hat. He's in the passenger seat with the female in a gray Hyundai. I want to say it's like a dark
Passenger seat. What the hell?
gray. She's driving.
Oh no, she went there willingly.
Okay, yeah, that's her.
The next day, police contact Kayla's bank and learn that her debit card was used at a convenience store and to check into a motel only a few miles away from Jamie's residence.
Oh yeah, she planned this with him.
Officers surround the property as fears over Kayla's safety intensify.
Hands, 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 hands! On the ground!
That shit was fire, y'all.
Get on the room. Get out of the room now. Did you watch the body? No, sir. You got cuffs?
Yep.
What's your name? One in custody. You with me. You got him? Yep. Anybody else in the room?
No, sir.
Any weapons in the room?
No, sir.
Damn. She stayed there all night. He was laying down pipe. Damn, that shit was good, y'all.
Go ahead, on your side. Okay, bend your knees.
You okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thanks for
stand
coming
up. Appreciate it. So you understand your rights. You still want to talk to me?
Yes, sir.
What the hell's going on?
See, I don't really know. Like, me and her, she's got like a man. I'm like the side. The man came in the apartment yesterday trying to jerk me out of the car. The man said that he had a gun, so I got in the car and I drove her.
Alright.
So I don't know what the situation is.
That's fair. He said he had a
Yes,
gun.
sir. They came there.
So, like,
They tried
were
to
you
jerk me out of the
protecting
car.
yourself
Yes, sir.
with a knife?
It wasn't a knife. It was like a piece of metal.
Did you threaten him with a knife? Did you say,
I
I'll
just got-
stab you?
Listen, sir, I'm in the car. They opened the door, jerked me out the door.
Yeah.
So I just grabbed. It was laying in the floorboard. I just grabbed
Okay.
for defense.
Kayla is found unharmed besides bruising she says was inflicted by Jamie, who grabbed her and pulled her into the car when she tried to flee.
Now he got mad because she went with her little boo thing to the little hotel.
But as the investigation unfolds, officers begin to unravel the surprising history that's shared between Kayla and Jamie.
I want to make sure you weren't sexually assaulted, you weren't physically assaulted, you're not here
She was assaulted, but she liked it.
against your will. No. Are you sure?
It was with her will. He willed her in.
Is that going to change at any
That's not
time?
going to change. I
He
promise.
can't hear you right now.
I promise it's not going to change.
According to Kayla, she and Jamie traveled to several locations in her car, including a place to buy alcohol where Kayla used her ID and bank card in hopes to leave a trail behind for investigators. Throughout the day, Jamie warned Kayla not to make a scene in public. Once they checked into the motel, Jamie asked Kayla if he could kiss her. Kayla said she agreed and that she passively participated in sex with Jamie, and he did not force her into it.
So
I knew that. We all knew that.
Girl, I've had it for about 7 months.
7 months?
So like I said, she's got a baby dad.
Yeah.
And like,
Where'd you meet her?
I know her. That's our triple C.
According to Kayla, she and Jamie met when he was transferred to the jail where Kayla was working as a student social worker.
Goddamn.
Kayla said Jamie started writing her notes and that she ultimately lost her job because of it.
My boy became a prison Shakespeare. You ever had somebody write you a letter from jail? I had to get my cousin to write me once to get this girl back one time. I said, damn, this shit really worked.
In one message sent from Jamie to Kayla, it read, "I love you. I'm not giving up on you. I will show up at your house."
This is a confusing thing because he's seeing that girl. I guess she still lives with her boyfriend or something. And she stayed a couple nights with him at the motel. And her boyfriend came over there and said, wanted her to come back home.
He got your bitch right now.
And he said, no, you guys been sleeping together.
When was that?
I think it was over this weekend.
That's what I was wondering if she reported that or if he's reporting that, because I know there was a situation about that he was jealous that they were basically both seeing the same woman, so.
Kayla said tensions escalated between Jamie and her boyfriend Chase after Jamie threatened to kill her son, and Chase. Kayla confronted Jamie about the threats before he drove away with her in her car. Although she dialed 911.
So he threatened to kill your kids and your family, and in return you said, you know what, let me give you some coochie so you can calm down.
Kayla is still adamant that she willingly got into the car with Jamie.
You can't make this shit up, man. Oh yeah, his ass going back to jail.
Hello? So why was your phone thrown out on 77? Because he didn't want us tracked. Did you do that or him? Did he take it so you couldn't call anybody? I don't think that he took it so I could call anybody. That wasn't the intention there. I have like 360 on my phone. I have Apple, all the other tracking.
I would never in my life download no damn Life 360 unless I'm married.
Stuff. He just didn't want me tracked. You realize everyone's looking for you. You're an entered missing major person.
Damn, side piece not gonna be able to be no side piece for a little minute.
I'm so sorry. He got judicial on kidnapping and rape. He's got like 7 years over his head. I don't want to ruin anybody's life.
You already did that.
Yeah, but what happened? Like, he was making you go with him? He had my car, and I didn't want my car to get stolen, and I was just trying to calm him down and make him stop. I didn't want him to take my car on a high-speed chase. I was scared. I cared about him. I cared about...
Aw, she love her side piece.
Yeah, I'm just unsure how you guys got here. Like, what?
It wasn't forced.
So what is it that I'm being arrested right here for, sir?
I'm not the one to talk to, man. I have no clue.
You just said right now.
What the hell? What happened to his voice?
Destructing official business, son. They're trying to call and put some more on me.
Officers at the scene revisit Kayla to share their concerns about her claim that she was not kidnapped by Jamie.
Either you were part of this and you are okay with the fact that he said he's going to kill the father of your child, or you were a victim in this. I don't see much of a middle ground.
There has to be a middle ground. I'm not okay with this.
I agree there's probably some gray area, but you're either part of this problem, which is him hiding and threatening to kill people, or you're a victim.
Yeah, so which one is it? Boyfriend or the side piece? You gotta pick one.
So, I mean, I wish I could lie and tell you it's good. It's definitely not good.
He's going to jail. I just didn't want to be another girl that put him away. He just did 13 years about a rape he says he didn't do. Whatever. That's how I met him. He ended up at SRCCC.
Everybody in jail ain't did the shit they got locked up for, baby. You can't believe that.
I was working there. I'm not a client. I'm not an inmate. You know what
You did lose your job over it though, so you are inmate fucker.
I mean?
According to police records, Kayla admits in text messages that she has been in contact with Jamie since his release. At some point, they ended up having sex, and Kayla said, quote, "The show was off to the races until he was mean, nasty, and threatening."
Damn. Yep, it wore off, and he got used to it. So he was like, "Okay, now I'm gonna show you my true colors, biatch."
I'm a social work student. I'm in my master's program. I'm like so super interested in law and criminal justice and all this stuff. And he talked about wanting to like review his transcripts together and try and find constitutional errors. And like, I'm a dork. I thought that was cool. So that's how.
Damn, but he got you good.
How we ended up talking. That's how we ended up like establishing any type of rapport. I did care about the person. Should have reported this back in March.
The threats?
No, he didn't threaten me back then. No, I just
It was just love making, Shakespearean words.
should have reported involvement with him. I should have just nipped it in the bud.
I told you before, and I'm going to say it again. Don't contact her. It's not going to look good if you call her, okay? And I told her not to contact you.
How can you tell us to have another contact? That's what I'm curious about.
This is not a no contact order. This is me talking to you
He's basically telling you to stop being a dumbass.
as a person, telling you, I recommend you don't reach out to her. Because if you reach out to her and somebody views that as you trying to change her mind on something, it could be considered witness or victim tampering.
Say less.
Police records show that Jamie attempted to contact Kayla days after his arrest.
My boy say, that y'all got me fucked up.
According
I've been working hard on this one.
court records, 38-year-old Jamie Triplett Jr. was found guilty of tampering with evidence, disrupting public services, aggravated menacing, and 2 counts of criminal damaging or endangering.
What a dumbass. He wanted to go back into jail.
He was sentenced to 42 months in prison in that case.
Damn.
To be served consecutively to the sentence from his 2012 case. After his community control was revoked in the 2012 case, the court reimposed 10 years for rape, 10 years for kidnapping, and 180 days for assault. 10 years of that sentence are mandatory, and he will become eligible for parole in 2035.
Man, that's fucked up.
In an EWU exclusive interview, Kayla said that she still cares about Jamie and considers him a friend. She said that she has spoken to Jamie since his trial. Jamie's case is currently with the state of Ohio's Court of Appeals. To access more of our content,
thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Out. Biatch. I gotta go for a walk now. I just ate that food. I'm gonna go for a 2-mile walk.